Dreaming of opening your own restaurant? It's a delicious challenge. But with the right approach, you can turn that dream into a reality. Let's dive into the key aspects of restaurant management. For more in-depth insights and expert tips, check out my YouTube channel, RSN Hospitality. First things first, define your concept. What kind of dining experience do you want to create? Fine dining, casual, fast casual. What's your unique selling proposition? Is it your signature dish, your ambience, or your exceptional service? Your brand identity is crucial. Choose a name, logo, and color scheme that reflect your restaurant's personality. Now let's talk money. Develop a solid business plan, including startup costs, projected revenue, and a realistic budget. Explore funding options like loans or investors. Efficient operations are key. Hire a skilled team, train them well, and establish smooth workflows in the kitchen and dining room. Implement a user-friendly point-of-sale system to streamline orders and track sales.
Exceptional customer service is non-negotiable. Train your staff to be friendly, attentive, and knowledgeable. Gather customer feedback through reviews and surveys to identify areas for improvement. Build a strong online presence. Create a website and social media accounts. Run targeted marketing campaigns to attract new customers. Partner with local businesses for cross-promotion. The restaurant industry is constantly evolving. Stay informed about the latest culinary trends, technology advancements, and customer preferences. Be adaptable. Adjust your menu, service, and marketing strategies based on customer feedback and market changes. Regularly evaluate your performance and identify areas for improvement. Need some extra help? Explore restaurant management software like 7 Shifts, Toast, or Touch Bistro. For industry insights, check out publications like Restaurant Business and Nation's Restaurant News. Opening a restaurant is a journey. Embrace the challenges, stay passionate, and focus on providing a memorable dining experience. For more in-depth insights and expert tips, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, RSN Hospitality. Thanks for watching. For more restaurant management tips, subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video.